How to save Instagram draft reels to gallery. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can save Instagram draft reels to your gallery. So before we begin, we'll start by updating our app to the latest version. For that, open up your app store. Simply search for Instagram. After you find Instagram, simply check if an update is available. So there you can see an update is available. Tap on the update button to update the app. After you've updated the app, you can then open up your Insta, locate the app and open it up. After you've opened up the app, you can then move ahead by simply tapping on the plus button on the bottom, and you can simply swipe up and you should find your drafts. Tap on the drafts option and simply tap on edit. After you're here, you can edit by tapping on the edit button on the top right. Now, after you're here, simply click on the video or the reel, and under this panel, simply swipe. There you will see a download option on the bottom right. Tap on it. After you've tapped on it, it'll get saved in your gallery. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Now, if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button as well. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye-bye.